A bit of misfire. It's completely broken. This is finished.
This is 100% broke.
That's nuts. Look at that. But how much would it be for you guys to install it?
1,668.
It's getting there, yeah. Keep going. Nope, yeah.
It's the next day now. The Audi S4 is in the HQ. We're going to get it inside, get it on the lift and find out what the problem is. I've done a bit of research. I've reached out to some of the S4 owners club and people that work on S4s. That wobbling sound that vibrates the whole car like crazy. It's bad news. It might not be the gearbox. I'm hoping it's not the gearbox. Probably like £1,500 just for the flywheel and the clutch. Apparently in the 2004 year, over 100,000 miles, they're known for the flywheel. Let's hope it's just the clutch and not the flywheel or the gearbox, because the clutch will be an easy fix. We can just get one and swap it and get it back on the road same day. So in the previous video, we did the headlight challenge and of course I lost. So T basically won. We agreed to do 20 plus. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look like you're struggling already. What's going on, man? What's not laughing?
Get it. How could you choose him over me? The light was better. The headlight was better. Can't believe it.
People want to see you struggle, man. Come on.
20.
I'll give you that pepper.
Bro, that's not easy. Not easy, that is. No, I'll just do 10 more just to make it. We're not doing 100, no way.
What happens here? We'll do 100?
I know, I'm used to bars, you know.
Last one.
Alright, 30 pull-ups on gym rings, don't forget. Hope you guys enjoyed that because I don't want to win. I don't want to lose the next challenge. Now that the pull-up challenge has been sorted, it's time to get back to fixing the Audi S4 and find out what that big issue was in the previous video. So at the moment, we do not know what the issue is, but some of the comments that were dropped in the last video was really useful. All we know, there is a loud vibrating sound coming from the gearbox. So first we need to inspect. We've never done this job before, so I had to grab my mechanic and start finding the issue. After a bit of research, in order to take the gearbox off to access the clutch, the front subframe has to drop. Then the drive shaft bolts need to be removed from the gearbox. Then the 2 catalysts and exhaust needs to be removed, although we found something interesting. This front catalyst is completely empty. I don't know whether that's supposed to be gutted out, restricted from the previous owner. Both of them. Like I said, I don't know if it's stuck or not, but if that has been gutted out, it had to have a tune. A bit of misfire. There's a Multitech exhaust at the back of the S4 that had to come off.
Oh, it's a Getrack gearbox.
What is that?
Similar system to the R34 GTR.
Prop
Is it a 5 or a 6 speed?
6 speed.
Yeah.
We then fight to take the gearbox off, removing the prop shaft. Finally, we can access the clutch and flywheel. We might have found the culprit of the issue. The clutch looks like it's never been changed in its life. Let's see. No meat.
No, it's very low.
Yeah. So it needed a clutch soon. It's a good job of doing it then.
Yeah, very good.
What happened to the flywheel? What caused it to damage? Play.
Yeah.
All the bolts were stuck onto the flywheel, but the flywheel was warped. Some of the bolts, we couldn't even take it off the flywheel, which meant once we managed to get 2 bolts off, the flywheel coincidentally just fell off on us because some of the bolts were just stuck into the flywheel. In the last video, the flywheel just warped completely, warping the bolts as well, so they just couldn't come off. So then we inspect the flywheel and we find out even more bigger issues as to why the major issue was caused.
You see?
Yes, inside. Ah, it's completely...
Have a look. You know the bolt inside?
Yeah.
Have a look. The bolt is stuck.
Aha. I see now. I see.
You know the plate?
Yeah.
That one is fly. That one is plate. It's gone other way.
Yes, more this way.
Yeah. It's gone other way.
It's completely broken. This is finished.
This is 100% broke. Maybe sometime, you know the bearing.
Yeah.
This one is gonna break this one.
Break, yeah. So it's scrap basically. Yeah, good time. It's heavy, you know. Proper heavy. Can't believe it. That's nuts. Look at that. So now we know what the issue is, which means I guess we're gonna have to buy a brand new flywheel and clutch for the Audi S4. I just want to get a quotation on a flywheel and clutch, please.
You're not going to get a genuine clutch because they've dropped it because of the year of the car.
But how much would it be for you guys to install it?
What, if you supplied the clutch and flywheel?
Yeah.
Let me find out a second.
Thank you.
See, our labour, it'd be 10 hours to do, clutch and flywheel. Our hourly rate is 166.80. So total just for the labour, 1,668.
Okay, £1,668, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Cheers. Alright, bye.
Cheers.
Almost £2,000 just to install a flywheel and clutch. That's mad. You must know me by now. We always do the job ourselves and the dealership cost is way too expensive and overpriced. So let's get the job done. We bought a new clutch and flywheel and installed it back on, and then installing the gearbox back together was an absolute nightmare, and I wouldn't advise anyone trying it on the floor. And also have a few friends helping you. After that, we just reversed the process of putting everything back together, and yes, it's not the most enjoyable job, and that's why I had to get my mechanic friend to help me, as this was a specialist job and I wanted to make sure the job is done 100%. Finally, the job is complete. It's now time to start the S4 and see if it's fixed. I can't wait for this moment, because I thought the car was dead and we wouldn't be able to get it back on the road. Let's see what happened, guys. Go ahead. Let's get all the cars out and go for a spin. But it seems good to me. Okay, let's go for first drive then. Alhamdulillah. You need to drive this one. You don't want to drive it? Huh?
No.
Alhamdulillah, driving beautiful little town. Just say.
Let's go.
It's a good car. Now that the new flywheel and clutch is inside the Audi S4, it is now time that we drive in the new clutch. So it will take us between 500 to 1,000 miles. So if you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new, if you want to stay tuned with the S4 project, drop a comment if you guys want to see more on the S4 build. We're going to be wrapping the car. This is the wrap. We've got two friends that are going to guess what colour it is, and whoever gets it wrong does pull-ups. So come on, what's your colour? Guess.
Red.
What are you? Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't say it right. We'll let you guys comment as well. Let me know what colour it is. Obviously you guys are watching, them two. If they both get it wrong, they both have to pull up. See.
Yo! That's sick. Was it a manual?
Mad, yeah.
It's a turbo. It is a turbo. Nice.
Alright guys, are you ready? Also, if nobody wins or loses, we're also going to mention they can also get a guess if it's a matte satin or gloss? Which one is it, lads?
It's already said satin, which I was going to go
Said
for.
satin.
So I'll go gloss.
I'm scared, you know. I'm scared as well. don't
Don't do that.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Zoom
That is
in.
nice.
That's actually gonna look good, you know.
That looks very nice.
This is the punishment.
You're doing 30 as well.
Yeah.
A long day.
I got bit more down, bro. There you go. The first person to get the colour right will get the Hoodstick merch. So comment down below. 4, 5, 10 more to go. See, I thought I was struggling. Look at my man.
100. You funny guy. Ahmed, where have you gone?
Ahmed, you get it. 30 reps. Come on. That's it. Last one. All the way down.
I'm gonna get violated, man.
Come on! Pull up! There you go. Finally. Ahmed, don't be scared now.
I am scared.
There you go. Come on, yeah, come on. 1, 2. Come on. Come on, hey, forget the cardboard, come on. 2 reps, come on. That's not 1, no, got it, yep, come on.
There you go.
3. Pull up. That's it, come on. That's it, 4. We'll do 4. Stay hard. 23 left. 23 left. Come on. That is not a rep. Until next time, guys. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.